Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's Truckers Only video. Have a nice day.
Dumb fucker, why? What the f is your fucking problem, you dumb motherfucker? What the f? Dumb motherfucker! What the f wrong with you? That's what the fuck. What the f is wrong with you, motherfucker?
Don't have problems. Oh, I guess I gotta get a hold of my lawyer. Well, I haven't heard shit from her since then. But dude, what the f are we doing here? Smooth guy. Nice quality, baby.
Champion your recovery with Core Power. Proud partner of Team USA.
Dude, this
Visit corepower.com.
turning lane.
I feel like I have no choice but to continue to speak up. And especially, Michelle, you and I have done so much work on this through the years with women and pushing women in sports. On women in fantasy football and those numbers and how much women love sports. And the silence in our industry is still deafening to me and maddening.
It is. And
What the fuck was that about? Stupid asshole.
As 9 negative 67 p.m. Report.
You've asked me why.
See, it is extremely important that your S meter. Yeah, usually when they're incompetent, just a hack shop and a converse, they'll call it
Nice. It's a fucking wall.
I don't have. What the fuck are you doing?
जी
फिर वोट होएगी प्रोविंस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਰੈਫਰੈਂਡਮ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਵੈਲੂਏਟ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.